Yeah, I'm doing my final round here, guys, and I'm just entering the National Gallery here in Edinburgh, part of the tourist attractions here. And you happen to be in Edinburgh, you can create some time to visit the National Gallery. And from this view you can see the train station, guys. That's the train station from here. Remember, trains are one of the most convenient modes of transport here, guys. So that's the train station. Yeah, some trains just left as I was beginning to film this, guys. So I want to go around the gallery up to that point. I want to film that tower for you guys. I want to bring you a nice picture of the tower there. Yeah. Then I think I'm gonna close it here and call it a day. Mission accomplished, and it will be bye bye to Scotland for me. But I'll be back soon because it's a nice place. I've really liked it. So that's the National Gallery, guys. National Galleries of Scotland, guys. This has been an amazing experience for me, I believe for you too, guys. And I want to just give you some last minute views of the city of Edinburgh from in here. This is the National Gallery. Great views. See how clean this place is. Every other place you visit, every other person you come across here is a photographer. But I'm just amazed at how the love people have for vloggers or YouTubers here. I've made so many friends, interacted with so many guys. Been really amazing. Yeah. One thing I've discovered is that people who you could never have imagined that could become family can become family through YouTube. Yeah, today I've made so many friends by the mere fact that they see me vlogging around. Yeah, everyone is excited to see me vlogging. Yeah, this is no mean feat. Not everyone can just open a camera and start talking like a mad person in the middle of a city. Yeah, that's what we guys do. So when you see someone vlogging, don't take it lightly. That person takes a lot of courage. Yeah. That's the tower from this end. And I'm just enjoying the view. So amazing. That's the train station now. Train station down there. Yeah. And that's the castle up there. That's where I was some minutes ago. Yeah, the castle is just amazing, just lovely. Yeah, that's the castle for you. allow me to end this here because it's now dark and I'm feeling worn out. I'm feeling exhausted, people. Thank you for the love. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for the likes. Keep watching, and I promise you I'm gonna keep bringing in some amazing content. Yeah. From me here in Edinburgh, Scotland, it's bye bye from me. I'll see you in the next one, guys. If you ever visit Scotland, make sure you visit Edinburgh, and specifically the Edinburgh Castle. I was late for booking, so I couldn't have access to the inside of the castle, but what I've just seen from the outside is enough to let you guys have a glimpse of what it would mean if you ever happen to visit this place. So I believe you've really enjoyed, and from me here, it's bye bye for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.